Checking out a new model from CIVIVI. Opening up the box. Comes in a nylon pouch like so many of theirs do. When we open it up, we've got the catalog, a microfiber cloth with the logo, a logo sticker, warranty information. There's even a sticker with one of their knife designs. Then when we take a look at the knife itself, this one is called the Photonix. This one has the Damascus blade with a wood grip, and this wood grip has a great texture to it. Has some speed holes. It has, looks like it has skeletonized liners for good weight. We've got a clip for tip up carry. This one is a liner lock. Again, a Damascus blade with thumb studs and a flipper. Really nice pattern on that Damascus. It's not real thick. You can see the layers in the Damascus. That's pretty neat. CIVIVI's have great lockup. They have great fit. And they open so smoothly. Hope this helps.